If you're experiencing verification issues with Bank of America after multiple failed attempts, follow these steps to resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct username and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity issues. Step 2. Clear browser cache. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, as this can sometimes resolve login issues. After clearing, restart your browser and try logging in again. Step 3. Use a different device or browser. If the problem persists, try accessing your account from a different device or web browser. This can help determine if the issue is device-specific. Step 4. Reset your password. If you still cannot log in, consider resetting your password. Follow the prompts on the Bank of America website to receive a password reset link via email or text. Step 5. Contact customer support. Before starting recovery, use the Shark.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve verification issues and regain access to your Bank of America account. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from customer service.